In this video, we're going to cover Amazon SNS, or Simple Notification Service. So what is Simple Notification Service? Well, it's a web service that coordinates and manages the delivery or sending of messages to subscribing endpoints or clients. In Amazon SMS, there are two types of clients, publishers and subscribers, also referred to as producers and consumers. Publishers communicate asynchronously with subscribers by producing and sending a message to a topic, which is a logical access point and communication channel. Subscribers, like web servers, email addresses, Amazon SQS queues, and Amazon Lambda functions, consume or receive the message or notification over one of the supported protocols, including Amazon SQS, HTTP or HTTPS, email, SMS, and Lambda when they are subscribed to the topic. Let's check out how that looks in a diagram. So you'll see here in the center of the diagram we have an SNS topic, and you'll see that a publisher is pushing a message to the SNS topic, which is then publishing it to one or multiple subscribers, including Lambda, SQS, HTTP, email, and SMS. When using SNS, you as the owner create a topic and control access to it by defining policies that determine which publishers and subscribers can communicate with the topic. A publisher sends messages to topics that they have created or to topics that they have permission to publish to. Instead of including a specific destination address in each message, a publisher sends a message to the topic. Amazon SNS matches the topic to a list of subscribers who have subscribed to that topic and delivers the message to each of those subscribers. Each topic has a unique name that identifies the Amazon SNS endpoint for publishers to post messages and subscribers to register for notifications. Subscribers receive all messages published to the topics to which they subscribe, and all subscribers to a topic receive the same messages. And that wraps it up for this quick introduction to SQS. In the next video, we're going to jump into the AWS console to get more acquainted.